love exposing our skin to the sun. Well, do we have an option? Sunshine is the time to enjoy on the beach and parks with friends and family. Despite all the fun and enjoyment in the sun, by the end of the day, most people are left with ugly and unattractive marks of suntan on their body, which becomes difficult to get rid of. Don't worry, there are some quick homemade tips that can help relieve you from the tan skin. Here's what you need to do. Using raw potato is one of the excellent treatments for sun tan skin. Especially it is high in vitamin C and thus acts as a natural bleach and also helps soothe the sunburn. Peel off the skin of about 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes and cut them into chunks and then put them in one blender to create a paste. After that, apply this paste generously all over the affected skin area. Allow it to dry for about half an hour and then finally rinse it off with cold water. For best results, you can add a little lemon juice to this potato paste before using it. From my personal experience, the last time I had been to the serene beaches of Goa, my skin got completely tanned and I used this natural tip which helped me to get my skin 2 tones lighter. So now all you beautiful women out there, don't forget to remove all the short dresses from your closet, and also don't forget to wear your funky sheets this summer and team them up perfectly. I suggest you try out this tip. I love hearing from you guys, so keep writing in.
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being